Alright guys, welcome back. So what we're trying to do here is now we are trying to take the back cover of this Inspiron 5310 laptop. It's really scary though. Alright guys, what you can see here is the motherboard of the Inspiron 13 laptop. This here is the battery, and what we're trying to replace is a new one. But if you want to buy a Dell battery replacement, these brands can be really expensive. As you can see here, we have never turned on, this is really scary. This is the back of it. Okay, so on to the grand finale. This is a box of the battery replacement. Let's just hope it's the perfect size. Laptop battery instruction manual. Alright, let's see what we need to do here. Seems like the battery of the package is able to fit in cord.